Alright, in today's video, I go show now how to color the lips. So the first way you go do now to hit the adjustment layer and select the solid color. Once you select solid color, choose any color you like. For me, I had to choose raspberry red. I click OK. Then the next thing, you go invert them by clicking on the layer marks and press Ctrl I on your keyboard. Then you go to your blend mode or blending option and change them to multiply. Go choose the blending options to multiply. Then select your brush tool. Once you select and make sure your flow and opacity is 100%. Then afterwards, you will use white as your foreground color, black as background color. Paint around the lips. Make sure say the layer marks now they selected though. So once you paint around the lips, you go do and trace them gradually, jeje. Then you could go back to the layer, go right click or you double click on that part. Once you double click, it will bring out the blending option. But for this video, I think I tried both methods. So I cancel then, go back, right click and choose blending option, which is the first option at the top. So once you click blending option, it will take you to that dialog box again. So what you will do now to hold down Alt on your keyboard, ALT, Alt, then separate the sliders until you will begin to see the lips, they show lights, they show some form of lights. It could be natural. Then you just use the other one, also adjust them until when it look very natural for your eye. No they like what you just use pencil paint on top cardboard. So once you do that, you go reduce the opacity of the layer to waiting you like. And by the time you do that, you find out that the lips could be very and popping. Don't forget to subscribe and like my channel for more short videos like this.